Well, hey y'all, today I'm rocking that White Rock t-shirt. Can't read it too good on here, but it's kind of cloudy. Sun's coming and going. We're out here working on the overhang for the rabbit cages, and we've had them just covered up with a piece of tin, but the gates are on the top, the entrances to put them in and out. And so I've been wanting to add to the barn overhang here and bring it out so that the water won't get on the rabbit cages. And since I got y'all out here, I'm going to show you our new rabbits, and you guys help me figure out names for them and for the pigs. So here we go. This one is a little girl, and she's been bred. She's really pretty. And look at this good looking male here. Hey man, you want to look at us? Turn around and give us a peek at your face. There you go. He's a big old thing. And then we got this one here. Now this one is a Jersey wool rabbit, and she is bred, so I'm excited about that. And they are going very high here. This one is what they call a blue lion. Hey man, look at us. Oh, come on, I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on, calm down. You act like you're scared to death. But he's really pretty, and I've got to find me a girl though for him. And we need names for all these guys. And this one, I'm not quite sure about whether this one is a boy or a girl, so I hung on to it. If it turns out it's gonna be a boy, I'll end up selling him. And so right now we are stubbing on to the end of the old barn that I built for the horses and bringing rafters out right here so that it'll cover the ends of the rabbit pens, as you can see right here. And then we found a spare piece of tin down at the junk pile, spare parts pile, whatever you want to call it. It's got the same pattern. It's going to look a little cleaner than the ones that are up there because they've got that walnut and everything else on them, but we're going to cut these and put them across there. So we're going to carry on, guys. You hang in here and watch with us. All right, we got them scabbed on across here. Now we got to go look in the scavenge pile and get us some 1x boards to put across the end here. And then Joey will be cutting these right here for me, and we'll get them up here. So we'll come back when we get that done, guys. All right, what I'm doing, as you can see, is I'm screwing this board here for our tin to come down here too. And we'll run it on to the end here. These are all just scrap boards because it's just to keep the water off the rabbit pens. Nothing, no biggie here. What we're going to do is we're going to take these screws here out that are on here across, slide our new pieces of tin that we're going to cut up underneath this piece, run it out to the end of here, put these bolts right back in it. All right, guys, I think the battery went dead in the middle of that, but we've got this board across here all the way, tacked down all the way, and now Joey's going to get the tin ready to cut. And I'm sweating. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm sweating. Whew. Anyhow, so we're going to cut this thing off till we get some tin cut. All right. don't think it's under. Right. Right. No, a screw just fell off.
Get one that feels like it's real. I got some longer of these.
I don't have one so far. Alright. We better put another one under here before I put these closer ones down. As hard as it's been. That's where it's getting off right in there. So I'm gonna put it darn good up to here. And then it starts getting off right here at this one.
It looks alright from the end.
Yeah.
It's off the head. I don't eat the
Alright, let me move again. Alright. What? As long as it looks lined up, it won't matter if it's off a half inch by the time it gets to the end. The other end, it's just a horse bar, you know?
I'm going up onto with this one.
You are? Okay. Alright. Still gotta go about a 1/4 inch. Okay. We ain't gonna put but about 2 more up here. Tap that just a bit, or not, to line it up. It's as good as it's gonna get, yeah. About like it was on that one. Now that's perfect right there. It's off right there now. Right there. All right.
That's better, and I'm gonna hold it up right here.
Okay.
Leave it.
probably put one right here. Bring me one of them longer ones if it's got the same head. We finally finished the top of this barn. I sure am glad. Whew. Okay, we're on our way now down here to feed the piggies. You guys are gonna have to help me come up with a name for them. One of them's red, one's black and white, mostly black. Got a tiny bit of brown in it. And I got one chicken that thinks she's trapped down here where the piggies are. I'm coming, piggies. Y'all hear them? What? What are y'all hollering about? What y'all hollering about, piggies? Hey, pigga. Hey. Hey. I see you. Yeah, here you go. There's y'all some food. There's y'all some food. Yeah. Hey, chickie. They're cute as they can be. Look, just look at them. Got some pretty little piglets. These are KuneKune pigs. And guys, they will have this whole place plowed up in no time down here. This is a huge area for 2 pigs. They've got the old car top to get under. We've got this little area here, but the top's about gone on it. What's wrong with y'all? Y'all want some food too? You think you deserve some? I guess we're gonna have to get them some food, guys. They're saying, oh no, you left us out. Guess I'll go give them some. Those little pigs are gonna be huge if I don't quit feeding them so much. It's hard to get used to feeding little bitty pigs when you're used to feeding big old pigs, you know, hogs. These are the KuneKune pigs, guys. So we will see. One of them is registered KuneKune, and the other one came from the same place, but has a different mama and daddy. So I guess that's why they're 2 different colors. I don't know. Hey, are y'all eating good? Are y'all eating good? Are y'all being good babies? I see 1, 2, 3 of y'all. Where's the other 2? Huh? Oh, 1 in there, 2 in there. Goodness. All right. Hey, ducky. There you go. Lightning, 2 of them's getting your food, honey. All right. Hey, Bam. I'm coming. Hey, Frankie. Oh, Nutbush, you're so mean. You're so mean, Nutbush. You're fussing and they haven't even gotten here to get something. There. Oh, no. There you go, Frankie. Nutbush got hung in a fence again, so we just put her board right back on her head. She's not happy about it, but she's about got used to it now. Sarah's never been as friendly as Nutbush. Nutbush is just super friendly. She's a pretty girl with those blue eyes. Nutbush is the one that had the 4 babies last season, so I'm hoping she impresses us this time. Goodness. Well, we got 3 more to feed. Oh, y'all all drinking water? You're all drinking water now? Girlfriend, you're gonna stay back there and hide? Okay, be that way. Hey. Hello. Hey. Are you making that water? Are you doing that on purpose? No? Okay. Just checking. Making sure you wasn't wasting my water. I got to go down and put up the bottom chickens now. We have 3 that hatched out this year. Put the top on that. In case it were to rain. We need it desperately, guys. We really need the rain. But, you know, it's like it is. You either get too much rain or no rain. They can't make a decision on us. Here's the new ones from this year. Hey, darlings, come on. Let's go down and feed. They know where they're supposed to get fed at. Look at them. Yeah, I know where y'all supposed to be going. Come on. Come on, Bubba's. Come on. Let's get y'all some food. I'll put these others in here. And doggone it, they come in here every day and get their food from them. Hey, babes. Come on. We're going to use up all the rest of this baby chick feed before I get y'all any more. Come on. Come on. There you go. Get on in there and get your food now. Got time to play. Get on in there and get your food. There you go. All right, there's that. Oh, got those three in there. It's a zoo around here, guys. It's a zoo. Okay, and this is the last critter we have new at the house. This little thing I found in the middle of the road in Alabama, and there was no houses around. No mama cat, no other litter mates that might have been thrown out with it. I don't know where it came from, but I've been feeding it now for almost 2 weeks, and it has doubled in size since I got it. But I'm having to bottle feed it. I hadn't learned to eat out of a saucer yet, so I'm going to show y'all how I do that. Well, Casper's a little jealous, so there he goes, bringing me his ball and throwing it down on the floor. Lord, you have to just about torture this little creature to get it to be still enough to take the bottle. But once he finally takes it in and gets a few bites, he'll go ahead and suck it on down about 2 or 3 tablespoons at a time. So here goes. We found him. But it's another new critter on the farm. So hopefully our yellow cat will accept her. If not, we've got to find a home for her. But first of all, ooh, I heard you. First of all, we need names. We need names for the rabbits. We need names for the piglets. We need names for this thing. So you guys, come on, help me out here. Thank you. Bye. Ramblin' Peach out.